good afternoon. Diego, Colleen, Direk. Kanina na-interview na namin si Direk, no? Colleen, Diego. Sabi niya, thankful siya na tinanggap niyo tong pelikula mo to. Na, nung nag-meeting daw kayo, parang hindi ka na raw bumalik, Colleen. Kala niya hindi matutuloy. Pero yun, kaya nung nag-meeting ulit, nag-yes ka, talagang dire-diretsong shooting na. Oo. Ang sabi ni Direk, grabe, may mga eksena talaga nakapanty ka lang, naka-bra, tapos naka-pop, sexy daw talaga. Pero gandang-ganda siya. So ano masasabi niyo?
Yun nga po na-mention nga po ni Direk na at first medyo nagdalawang isip kami. Two reasons. One reason was because the material is really very difficult. Yeah. Originally kasi, yung script na to was sexier, it was for Viva Max, pero syempre marami silang binago. And it's heavy drama kasi yung pelikulang ito. So ako, nagdalawang isip ako sa sarili ko kung kaya ko ba, kung mabibigyan ko ba ng justice. And then another reason pa, si Diego kasama ko.
Kasi para kami magkapatid.
Para kaming magkapatid. Para ko siyang little brother. Kaya parang, kaya ko pang gawin to. So it was a big factor. Pero nagawa naman namin.
Nahiraos naman.
Nagawa naman namin ang maayos. So, and then we're here, natuloy namin. So even if at the start meron kaming medyo may apprehensions ng konti, di ba? We decided together na ituloy namin. Kaya happy naman kami.
So kayo mismo nag-usap na, yes, tanggapin na natin.
Yeah, well, aside from talking to Direk and talking to Boss and everybody else in between, kami dalawa din, like, are we sure na we want to do... I mean, I've never had, aside from Adarna Gang, pero minimal, wala kami masyadong eksena. Sabi ko, if we're gonna have a movie together, are we sure na this is the kind of movie that we want to have? Only because originally the script was intended for Viva Max. And when I look at Colleen, I see Quiz, si Billy, they've been my friends for the longest time in showbiz, so may onting awkwardness talaga, but hindi awkwardness talaga. Especially our first scene na magkasama kami na yung lines. Basta, we'll just leave that out of it. So it was difficult, but then it's our profession at the end of the day. Alam mo yun, you should take out yung personal stuff and tignan mo lang talaga na trabaho lang naman to eh.
Yan, oo nga. Ikaw na rin nagsabi, pang Viva Max sana to. Pero sabi naman ni Boss B, ang ganda ng pelikulang to, hindi to pang Viva Max. Kailangan may ipalabas to sa sinihan, ang laking pelikula nito, di ba? Pang sinihan talaga to, siya nagsabi. Pero yan, Colleen, sabi kasi ni Direk, nung after the 3 scenes na, yun nga, yung sexy, ayaw niyang tawagin, intimate scenes, no? Passionate scenes, no? Ayaw niyang tawagin erotic. Pero after the 3 scenes, sinabi mo raw sa kanya na kahit before, hindi ka pa raw gumawa ng ganong eksena o ganong katindi. So, pinaalam mo ba ito kay Didi?
Kasi syempre, alam niyo na din po siguro na try ko na din na mag-love scene before and everything. I don't know, for some reason the experience this time around felt a bit different because parang the times that I shot love scenes before, parang may, I don't know how to explain it, but it was a lot more youthful. Ngayon kasi, there was a certain level of maturity kasi sa mga eksenang ito. And hindi naman, tama naman si Direk na huwag tawaging erotic kasi naman talaga siya, pag pinag mo, hindi naman talaga siya erotic eh. It's, the presence of the love scene is really needed for the movie kasi sobrang passionate siya. And doon ko naranasan na yung difference between these specific scenes sa movie na to at saka yung mga love scenes na nagawa ko in the past. Yun nga, parang may lalim siya. May lalim siya ngayon. So, even though hindi ko ko first time na makagawa ng ganong klaseng eksena. Na sabi ko kay Direk na it's my first time feeling it in this way, going through it this way, and yung effect niya din, ibang-iba. So, I mean, yeah, a love scene is a love scene. Pero pag dinaisect mo kasi, tsaka yung dating niya, syempre, sa mga manonood, iba talaga. Yun ang masasabi ko. And siguro makikita nyo na lang yun kapag napanood nyo yung pelikula.
Yan, hindi mo nasagot yung pinaalam mo ba kay Bibi? Pinaalam mo kay Bibi?
Sorry, hindi ko pala narinig yun. Si Billy kasi, actually ito yung first script niya in a long time na hindi niya nabasa. So hindi niya alam kung anong magiging story dito sa mismong pelikula. But I do tell him about the scenes that I'm shooting kasi ayoko naman ng gulatan. Parang hindi naman tama yun na biglang magugulat na lang siya, may mga ganong eksena ako. So without giving away the story to him, kasi gusto ko din na makuha yung organic reaction niya sa buong kwento. Sinabi ko sa kanya kung ano mga klaseng scenes yung sinushoot ko, kung how far I went and everything. So alam naman niya. And wala naman siyang, I would say pa nga na mas uncomfortable ako kesa sa kanya eh. Kasi parang sinasabi niya, ano ba, love, okay lang yan, kailangan yan for the movie and everything. So I would say na ako mas nakaramdam pa nga ako ng discomfort. Si Billy wala naman.
Yan, thank you and ngayon pa lang good luck, congratulations. Kasi kagabi pinakita sa elevator premiere night yung trailer, maraming nagandahan. Ako, doon ko talaga nakita kagabi. Sabi ko kay Direk Mac kanina, congratulations, ang ganda ng trailer, di ba?
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Sana
Jago.
pati yung movie magkasama niya.
Yeah, thank you, Pauline, Jago. And Direk, yan, good luck, yan.
Thank you.
Jean Kylie. Natatakot akong lumampas ang question ko. Dinalusot ko naman, lampas na isa dalawa. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was June Latin of Aban, who starred in films and series such as Made in Malacanang, How to Love Mr. Heartless, Martyr or Murderer, Will You Be My Ex. Viva Films recently released A Glimpse of Forever, and one of the winners of 2015 FAMAS Awards were Herman Moreno Youth Achievement Award. Please welcome Diego Loizaga. Let's give him a big hand, everybody.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's nice to be in front of you all this afternoon. Jean, thank you, as always. And ayun po, nagpapasalamat ako na nagbigay po kayo ng oras para sa aming pelikula. You took the time out of your day to come here and support us once again. And yeah, I just want to say thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the trailer. Thank you.
There you have it. That was Diego Loizaga. Up next, we have a series such as #Why, where she was nominated for New Movie Actress of the Year, Ex with Benefits, Adarnaga, Kaluskos, and Kung Hindi Lang Tayo Sumuko. Please welcome Colleen Garcia. Come on ahead, everybody. Colleen, please grab a microphone.
Hello, hi, good afternoon. It's so nice to see everybody here. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to join us, lalo na medyo last minute yung pag-reschedule na tong event na to. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoy our film.
Alright, that was Colleen Garcia. Okay, while we are waiting for our director, you may sit down. Baka medyo